After the big storm that we had last night in Rockwall, Scott Self's Harbor Lights cruise boat was blown away from the docks at the harbor against the rocks on I-30. You can see the boat now. We hope to get an update from Scott Self here in the near future. We understand that the boat did not sustain major damage, and he hopes to have it fixed and repaired and back on the lake here soon. We expect to have an interview with Scott later today or tomorrow, and we'll bring you an update. This is J.J. Smith with the Rockwall News.